y of 0 is equal to 1. Given y of 0 is equal to 1. That implies x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. So substituting these values on this, 1 plus 1 is 2 into 2 plus sin 0 is 0 is equal to c. So c is equal to 4. Therefore y plus 1 into 2 plus sin x is equal to 4. When y of pi by 2 is y plus 1 into 2 plus sin x. Here the value of x is pi by 2. Sin 90 is equal to 1. That is equal to 4. Y plus 1 is equal to y plus 1 into 3 is equal to 4 by 3. So that implies y is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, the value of y is 1 by 3. Question number 10. Solution of y into dx plus x square y into dy is equal to 0. Now dividing on both sides by x square y. So that is x plus x square y by x square y square into dy plus y by x square y square into dx is equal to 0. Y dx plus y into dx plus x into dy plus x square y into dy is equal to 0. Dividing on both sides by x square y square. Now this is y into dx plus x into dy by x into y whole square plus 1 by y into dy is equal to 0. Now applying integration on both sides. Now this is, we know that 1 by xy minus 1 by xy plus log y is equal to log c. This is a required differential equation. Number 11. Dx plus dy is equal to x plus y into dx minus dy. That implies log of x plus y is equal to. So the given equation can be written as dx plus dy by x plus y is equal to dx minus dy. Now applying integral on both sides. Now this is f dash x by fx, log mod fx, that means log of x plus y. This called integral of dx means x minus integral of dy means y, plus c is the required solution. Question number 12. Solution of 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x power 4 by 4 factorial plus so on whole divided by x plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial plus so on. That is equal to dx plus dy by dx minus dy is, what is the solution of this equation? That means dx plus dy by dx minus dy. That is equal to, this is the formula for e power x plus e power minus x by, this is e power x minus e power minus x. So this can be solved by using componendo and dividendo. Componendo and dividendo means numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator. So dx plus dy plus dx minus dy by dx plus dy minus dx minus of minus plus dy. That is called e power x plus e power minus x plus e power x minus e power minus x whole divided by e power x plus e power minus x minus e power x minus of minus plus e power minus x. Here plus dy minus dy both are cancelled. and plus dx minus dx is cancelled. Now this is 2 dx by 2 dy. That means dx by dy, that is equal to e to the power of minus x minus e to the power of minus x. Both are cancelled. E power x and minus e power x is cancelled. Now e power x by e power minus x. So that implies dx by dy is equal to e to the power 2x. So that implies dy is equal to e to the power of minus 2x into dx. Applying integral on both sides. Then integral of y, integral of 1 dy means y is equal to e to the power of minus 2x by minus 2 plus c. That is the required solution of the given equation. The differential equation dy by dx is equal to 1 by ax plus by plus c, where a, b, c are all non-zero real numbers. Then dx by dy is equal to ax plus by plus c, which is a linear equation in x, which is a linear equation in x. That's all. Calculating the a function y is equal to f of x has a second order derivative f double dash x is equal to 6 into x minus 1 if its graph passes through 2 comma 1 and at that point tangent to the graph is y is equal to 3x minus 5, then the function is, so the given curve is f double dash x is called 6 into x minus 1. Now applying integration on both sides, integral of f double dash x is f dash x, that is equal to 6 into x minus 1 whole square by 2. That implies f double dash x is equal to 3 into x minus 1 whole square. And again applying derivative, integral on both sides, and again integral on both sides, f dash x is equal to 3 into x minus 1, that is f of x. Integral of f dash x is f of x, that is equal to 3 into x minus 1 whole cube by 3 plus c1, here it is c2, 3 cancel, f of x is equal to x minus 1 whole cube plus c2. So its graph passes through the point 2 comma 1 is this one. Equation number 1, this is 2. Slope of tangent at 2 comma 1 is f dash of 2 is equal to 3 into 2 minus 1 whole square plus c1. That is 2 minus 1 means 1, 3, c1 is equal to minus 3. c1 is equal to minus 3.